Breaker 19, you're tuning in only for trucks. Come on back, brother. Please subscribe, brother.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So today we're down in the city moving a skid steer. We're moving it from my dad's company. So we're gonna go get to see my dad. He's gonna be working and I'm gonna drop this machine off to him. So things kind of got a little bit delayed. We have a bit of an issue. So it is what it is. But we're getting it done. It's an easy move, not far away, simple deal. So making the best of it. But feels good to be back. I'm gonna try to stay consistent and, you know, not daily, but as much as I could be on the videos. And yeah, hopefully this coming weekend, today is Tuesday, so the last video you watched was from last week, but this coming weekend I'm planning to go to Diane's and finally get cracking on the R700, so I'm really excited for that. I cannot wait. Tomorrow I'm going somewhere in an airport to put a crane together, so that'll probably be a video for you guys, and then we'll go from there. Let's do some driving. Quick one there, not too shabby. Missed that one. I was having a little bit of fun there. Can't help it. much quieter with the windows up. But yeah, guys, I got a little goofy there, having some fun, trying to show you guys a little something cool. But didn't really mention it yet, but I am pulling a new to us trailer. My boss went and picked up a Landoll. This thing's got some sweet lights on it, and he plans on adding some things to it and changing things around. But this is the first move on it, and I mean, I like it. I have a very tiny bit of Landoll experience, not much at all, but I'll show you guys a picture of that once we get to the job. But yeah, so I'm excited to learn more on the Landoll, get better at it, and you know, should open up a little bit different avenues of work for us. I think now we got just about every trailer there is. Just about, I mean, at least for what we do. But yeah, as I said, I'm really excited to work on the R700. First step is get the air system figured out and attempt to drive it. And then start on body work and such, doing some metal work on the cab, and then kind of go piece by piece from there. Once we get into it, of course, we'll talk about a game plan and figure out exactly what we're going to do. There hasn't been a whole lot of trucking to be filmed, so it kind of sucked. I mean, I was like working, but it was like simple highway stuff. We ran down to Baltimore again, but there was nothing to see. I ran some stuff to North Jersey, same thing, there was nothing to see. Like, it's kind of tough. And I know you guys appreciate all the videos, and I could just post nothing and you guys will watch it, but I don't like to do that. I like it to be interesting. I like it to have a reason for the video and you guys enjoy watching it. And maybe one day I will daily vlog, and that'll be a different thing. Like, it'll just kind of be my day-to-day regardless of what it is. But like I said, I enjoy giving you guys something interesting to watch, not just, you know, nothing. So I try my best for you guys. It's the best I can do. Well, guys, I think what I'll do here is let you guys see what happens when I get to where we're going. How's that? I know the motor's noisy, guys, but I made it here to the job. Truck and trailer looked great, and my dad was busting my stones that I didn't film my issue. So I wanted to show you guys my issue, and I just realized I forgot to take the 360 off the top. That would be quite useful. But the reason being is I had broken the key off in the ignition of this machine, and partially my fault. I mean, the key was very old. I've had that key for like 9 years or something. But so what I had to do was take the ignition out and get it figured out. And I was able to take the center cylinder system out of there and turn it with a screwdriver. So I didn't break the ignition. I just can't get my key out of it. So therefore, I'm just gonna get them an ignition tomorrow. We'll get this thing squared away. It's a simple unplug deal right here. And then, yeah, that'll be that. But my dad was breaking my stones, so I just wanted to show you guys what took me so long on this deal. It cost me like 45 minutes to an hour. But anyway, yeah, that's that. I'm going to park this thing, and then maybe we'll do a little bit more trucking. Well, guys, luckily I am on my way back to the yard. Night is over. Tomorrow morning, like I said, Ren and I are going to be going to the Philadelphia airport, putting a crane up or something. So I'll film that for you guys. And sometimes on jobs like that, we sit and wait for the crane. So I might take my laptop with me so I can do some editing. So I'm thinking about that. But yeah, pretty easy deal overall, other than me breaking that key. That kind of sucked. I've had that key for a long time. I've had it since 2016. I only know that because I knew the job I was working at when I got it, and like had that key ring and stuff. So it was an old key, but it's worked up until tonight. You know, I just couldn't get that ignition to turn, and I was playing with it, and then I broke it. So no biggie. I was able to handle it. We're down pretty deep in the city, off of Ridge Avenue, not far off the boulevard. Right now I just came out the Broad Streets. I'm gonna go over to 95, make my way out of here. Easy deal. So, as always, I really appreciate you guys watching. Like I said, please stay tuned because I'm finally getting on that convoy truck. And yeah, things are only gonna get better and better. So I'm super excited. Hope you guys are too. Diane and I have a few more trucks that we need to get going and take little hot laps down the road on bad tires and such. So we're gonna have a blast up there for sure. And you guys will be coming along with us and enjoying it. So I'm excited for show season. I'm gonna try my best to get the R700 out there, see what we can come up with. But yeah, I'll give you guys a little bit more, but you know, as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, brother. Over and